So maybe this is the time where I can do a whole video without being interrupted by a phone call or by Uber living. So it's really easy, guys. It's a great conference to go. I'm gonna have, if you're in Lisbon and if you're not coming, you're an entrepreneur, you have a business, you want to set up a business, or you're trying to scale or grow your business, this is the conference to go for sure. I'm going to have brilliant speakers there. Ricardo Pereira, the CEO of PhD Software, Pedro Hipólito, the CEO of 5,000 Miles. Pedro Hipólito has been posting some great videos online, really interesting stuff there, definitely worth checking it out. And then we're going to have Emerald Delo. She's a specialist, and so she's a globally recognized expert in GDPR and data privacy, so that's going to be interesting for sure. What else? So now Luciano here is doing the fourth episode of Enterpriser Show that's coming out really soon. I don't know what the topic will be there, but we're trying to document this whole thing of selling all these tickets and putting a conference to work in a way that's interesting for everybody. This is a great conference ticket price. So the price point here is 29 euros, and you get a breakfast, lunch, snack breaks, everything is happening there. These amazing speakers, and what's different about this conference is you're not there just to listen to someone speak. So half the time is going to be a presentation by a speaker, and the rest of it is going to be audience Q&A. I have to be honest with you guys, the first edition I really thought that no one is going to make any questions. But they were firing questions left and right, so it was an amazing thing to see. I want to see you there. Come on, Lisbon, November 2nd. This is for sure one of the best conferences to go in Lisbon. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're in Lisbon on November 2nd and you're not coming to the QnA Summit, you're fucking up. This is the conference to go. This is a great chance for you to go there and showcase your company to you, because you can go there and say, oh, my name is Miguel, I'm the CEO of iGlobe. This is the question that I want to make to you. So a brilliant opportunity for you to showcase your business. November 2nd, QnASummit.com. Ticket prices are really cheap, and I want you there.